In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark emails as spam in Yahoo Mail. Clearing out junk messages doesn't just tidy your inbox, it also teaches Yahoo's filters what you don't want to see, so fewer unwanted emails slip through in the future. Start by opening your browser and going to yahoo.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that your browser is up to date for the best experience. At the top right, click Sign In. Enter your login details, and if you're prompted for verification, follow the on-screen steps. Keep your credentials private and consider enabling two-step verification if you haven't already for added security. Once you're signed in, look again to the top right and click the mail icon. This opens Yahoo Mail. On the left sidebar, click Inbox to view your incoming messages. If your inbox looks busy, don't worry, we're going to quickly remove the junk. Find a message you want to mark as spam. Common signs include vague subject lines, unexpected attachments, or senders you don't recognize. Be cautious not to mark legitimate messages as spam, especially from services you use, because that can hide important updates later. To select the message, click the checkbox next to it. You can select more than one if multiple messages look suspicious. Selecting by checkbox is helpful because it lets you act on messages without opening them, which is safer if you're unsure about the content. Now look at the toolbar near the top of the page and click Spam. As soon as you do this, the selected emails are moved to the spam folder and Yahoo's system learns from your choice. Over time, this improves automatic filtering, so similar messages go straight to spam instead of your inbox. A couple of quick tips to keep things clean. Messages in the spam folder are automatically deleted after a period, so you don't need to manually empty it. If you ever notice that a legitimate email ends up in spam, open the spam folder and mark it as not spam, so future messages from that sender land in your inbox. And if a message is from a newsletter you signed up for, it's often better to use the unsubscribe link inside the email rather than marking it as spam. That's all there is to it. Go to yahoo.com, sign in, open mail, head to your inbox, select the unwanted emails by checking their boxes, and click spam. With just a few clicks, you'll keep your inbox uncluttered and help Yahoo Mail filter out junk more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.